Hello students, today I will discuss about semiconductors. Semiconductors are those which have conductivity in between conductors and insulators, or good conductors and insulators. So, conductivity of semiconductor is less than the conductivity of the good conductors and more than the conductivity of the insulators. Now semiconductors are of two types. One type is known as intrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor are those semiconductors where the conductivity depends only on temperature. And in extrinsic semiconductor, the conductivity depends on temperature also and on the doping also. Now the question is, what is doping? Doping means addition of impurity to the semiconductors. Now you know that semiconductors are basically tetravalent. So if I replace the 4 valency with the help of 5, then what will happen? Extra electron will come there, extra electron will go there, and that is called the N-type semiconductor. In case of phosphorus, we know its valence is 15 and its electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 5. So last shell of phosphorus will replace the last shell of any semiconductor. And then in this way, if we dope the semiconductor with the help of phosphorus, then it will be transformed into N-type semiconductor. There are two types of carriers in the extrinsic semiconductor. One is majority carrier, another is minority carrier. In N-type, N-type means negative type, means where the electrons are more. There, majority carriers will be the electrons and minority carriers will be the holes. Holes means absence of electrons. The reverse phenomena happens in P-type semiconductor. For example, we can take aluminium. In aluminium, the valence is 30. So the electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 3. And therefore, if the outermost shell of the aluminium is applied to the tetravalent structure of the intrinsic semiconductor, then what happens? That 4 electron structure that will be replaced by the 3 electrons of the outermost shell of the aluminium. And in that case, there will be deficiency of electrons. And when there is deficiency of electrons means sufficiency of holes, positive holes. So in P-type, we get the majority carrier as holes, positive holes, and minority carriers as electrons. So this is the concept of semiconductor, intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductor is done by doping, and by doping 2 type of semiconductors we are making, that is, one is N-type and other is P-type. I hope you have understood. Try to subscribe my channel and give like wherever is possible. Thank you.